Hi guys, in this video we are gonna learn how to KYC in our Crowd1, meaning know your client in Crowd1, and we're gonna learn how to connect our MetaMask wallet to our Crowd1 account. So let's do it. First, let's learn about how to KYC your Crowd1 account. So first, you have to be logged into your Crowd1 account. Once you're logged in to your Crowd1 account, it will take you to this home page that looks like this, and then you will go to your profile. And then after you go here on this profile, you will go down to upload KYC. Okay, so once you get to your Crowd1 and you log in, you go to your profile, and then when you get to your profile, you go to upload KYC over here. See? Now you click on upload KYC. Now, KYC is important because KYC, when you KYC in Crowd1, it basically lets the company know who owns this account. And it's important because without KYC, you're not going to be able to do certain things. First, like withdraw money or withdraw income from your Crowd1 account. Or you're not going to be able to also receive 50,000 business points until your KYC is approved. So it's very important that you upload what is needed and get it approved. So to upload your KYC, there's two requirements. First, a selfie of yourself. Make sure that it's a white background. It's clear, and you're not wearing anything that is covering your face. So just make sure that you have a clear background, like a solid color background, preferably white, and that you have a good lighting in a way that your face is shown clearly, and that the quality of the selfie or the photo is not blurry, and that you're not wearing anything that is covering your face. Your face must be shown in the KYC selfie photo. So you need that. You need that selfie, and then you're going to need either a passport or a driver license or a national ID. But if you already have a driver's license and it's not expired, I suggest that you use that because it's easy. But if you don't, then you can also use whatever passport you have. However, you have to make sure that the passport that you use is the same country registered in your Crowd1 settings. And also, if you live in Ontario and don't have a passport or a driver license you can also apply for an Ontario card. But most commonly, people use either their driver license or their passport. So you're gonna need one selfie and a driver license or a passport, which one you have, whatever you have. If you either have passport, use passport, or if you have driver license, use driver license. So those are the two requirements that is needed to KYC. And after you submit those, it will take about a week for it to approve. If it is approved properly, I believe they will email you. So check in your email, and then they will update you if your KYC is approved or if it is not approved. So if it's not approved, they may ask you to resubmit some requirements that you need to. But if you guys are unsure of which email they're gonna send it to, or other things, I'm gonna show you something. So if you go up here, go to your profile and go to your settings, go to settings. When I mentioned if you're using a passport, the passport must be the passport must be the passport needs to be related to the country in which you registered in your Crowd1 account. So, for example, right here in this Crowd1 account, if you scroll down, it has all of the details, and over here the country says Canada. So, if that says Canada, that means that the passport that you're gonna use to KYC must also be from Canada, or must be approved by Canada, or was created in Canada, because you can't have your country in Canada and use a passport from the Philippines to KYC. No, it has to be the same country. So I just want to point that out. And also, if you're unsure if you're unsure on what email you're gonna receive your update on, over here in the settings you can check. It says over here, the email that is registered in your Crowd1 account, and that's where they're gonna send you all of your Crowd1 information and the email that is registered in your Crowd1 account right here. So your email right there, and yeah. So that is a summary of how to KYC. Actually pretty simple. You just log into your Crowd1, go to your profile, and then go to upload KYC, and then upload two requirements. One, a selfie, a clear selfie where your face is shown properly, and then an identification document. So either a passport or a driver's license, whichever you have, use either one. And then if you want to check your details again about your account, just go over here to your settings, and then over here you will see your email that is registered, your address that is registered, and the country that is registered in your Crowd1 account. And then, once you know that your information is correct and you've uploaded those two requirements in the KYC section, then if you've uploaded them successfully, then all you have to do is wait for about 1 to 2 weeks, and then Crowd1 will give you an email if you've either been approved or you might have to resubmit your requirements. But that is how you KYC. And now we're going to talk about connecting your MetaMask account to your Crowd1 account. So how you do that is you still log in your Crowd1 account, go to your profile, and go to settings. So right now we're in settings. Right now what we're going to do is scroll down, okay? When you scroll down, you're going to see this MetaMask wallet. So this one is actually already connected to the MetaMask account, to the corresponding MetaMask account. But if it hasn't been connected yet, it will say MetaMask wallet and say connect, and you have to press a button that either says connect, and then you have to press that connect button so that you can connect your MetaMask account to your MetaMask wallet. But once you connect your MetaMask account to your right MetaMask wallet, this over here, it will show something like this, and it will show this fox face in this MetaMask wallet, and then it will show your MetaMask wallet address. And when you check over here, it will also show your MetaMask wallet address. So if you've connected it properly, successfully in your right wallet, this MetaMask wallet in your Crowd1 account will be identical to your MetaMask wallet that is in your extension in your browser. But that's it. That's how you connect your MetaMask wallet to your Crowd1 account. That's how you do it. So that is all for this video. And if you need further clarification, just comment down below for any questions that you have. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.